What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brandon. Welcome back to Crayton TV. Today's video, I'm doing an unboxing of a package I just received. So, if you want to find out what's in this package, all you gotta do is hit that subscribe button right now, like this video up, subscribe if you're new. We're on our way to 600 subscribers, and you'll find out what's coming in the package. But other than that, let's get to it.
But since I came into the game, I've been going harder in the pain.
So we back right here. We go. We got a package right now from Amazon. You know what I'm saying? Let's get you want to keep y'all waiting.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Well, this video is not sponsored at all, but what I first got was the Logitech Pro C922 webcam for live stream. So follow me on my social medias down below. Links will be down in the description box below. Follow me. I'm going back live on Twitch. We're doing mobile gameplays, console gameplays with the PS4, and we'll do a little Fortnite on the MacBook. Might even play some other games on the MacBook. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? So follow me. You want to see? You want to be the first one so you can be OG. Also subscribe here and help me reach 600. Cause we're on our way. But we did get that. And we got the HyperX Quadcast streaming mic. I use everything HyperX. I even got HyperX headphones. I'll show you those too if you want to see them. So what we got right here, the HyperX Quadcast streaming mic. Man, tongue twister. Try to say that 10 times fast. But check it out right here. Now I was going to get the Blue Yeti, but since I use HyperX Cloud Alpha 2 gaming headset, and I like HyperX products, I figure I might as well just go with HyperX, you know. Hey, why not? Because HyperX, they never did me wrong, and why not try out that mic? So, this is a plug-and-play mic, I think. USB plug-and-play mounted adapter. And let's open it. Figuring out how to open it. It's right here. I got it upside down. So let's check this out. Bam! We got it says HyperX has you covered. Got issues with your HyperX product? Contact them. Streaming mic. But I use it. See those headphones right there? I think those are the same headphones that I use right there. These ones right here. So HyperX Cloud Clash. Quick startup guide. Little unboxing video. Ooh. The cord right here. If you want to mount it to a boom arm, microphone mount. Well, you don't need that anymore. But ooh, okay, looking nice and juicy. Okay, I like it. It does feel very durable. Feels excellent in hands. HyperX always gives that nice product. You got the bam directionals right here. I was doing little reviews and action now and then. Max, low, HyperX. This is your on and off mic. Touch input. Feels really great. Plug in headphones in back there. Okay, we gonna set all this stuff up, and trust me, you gonna want to come back for my official gaming setup video when I show everything. So you want to hit that subscribe button now. But HyperX Quadcast streaming mic. This is look nice. I love the color, love the texture of it. This right here, this is put together very good. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna try this out. You know what I'm saying? So if you did enjoy that unboxing, and you want to see more of this gaming setup, full setup with the HyperX Quadcast and how I have everything set up and everything else, subscribe right now. That video is coming out soon. I'm doing a whole video of my full, complete gaming setup. I'm waiting on one more thing, so subscribe if you haven't already. We're coming up on 600 subscribers. Also, check the links in the description box below to follow me on all my social medias. Follow me on Twitter. I'm very active on Twitter, Instagram. I'm on Snapchat every now and then, but I do respond. So if you got a question and everything and I can't get to your question on YouTube, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram. I'll answer your question. I'm always friendly here to help, giving some good advice. What do I recommend and stuff like that. If you need help, you want to get your own little gaming setup, but that mic pretty clean. I got the headphones, so stay tuned for some other things coming up with this video. But if you did enjoy this unboxing, like this video, subscribe if you're new. New things is coming, more bangers is coming. Go watch my last video if I did the unboxing of the gaming setup, a little quick time lapse of how I was setting up everything. But I hope you did enjoy this video. God bless everybody. It's your boy Brandon from Crayton TV, and I'm signing out here. Peace.